Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to change the size of PowerPoint slide. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the PowerPoint application on your PC. You can do this by going into this search bar here and search for Power here, and then you will see this application where it says PowerPoint. So you just need to click on it and then your application will be opened up. So basically, to change the size of your slide here, you will get into this design tab, and in the last you can see this option where it says slide size. Okay, so if you click on this one, you can see basically these two options here. The first one is a standard and the second one is widescreen. Okay, so now widescreen is this. Okay, and now if you wish to basically switch to a standard here, just click on this one and basically tap on in short fade, and now you can see that the size of your slides are changed. And if you want to go back, just click on widescreen here and you can see the size of slides are now changed, and you can basically enter your custom size as well. Click on custom slide size, and basically from here you can basically select what, like on which paper or on which screen you are going to show your slides basically. And you can basically adjust the width and height as well, and you can basically select the orientation as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.